So why do we need to post-train an LLM? Well, an LLM is essentially just the next token predictor, right? So that is what the base model is trained to do. And as the base model is just the next word predictor, if you started off with a sentence such as what is the capital of France, it might continue that sentence by saying things like what is the capital of Germany, what is the capital of Spain, what is the capital of, it might just continue to ask us further questions. And this is not something that we want, right? The base model just continues the pattern and is not know that it really needs to answer that question. And this is one of our goals of post training. We wanted to follow instruction. We wanted to know that when asked the question, it should not just blindly continue that question, it should give us an answer to that question. Secondly, it must be helpful. It must know what it should return as the answer instead of just blind text completion. It should be harmless. The base LLM, the base large language model, does not have any guardrails, right? It is raw. If you started off by saying the most violent, we don't know what the next few words would be, right? It can just go on to say anything that it was trained on in the base model, right? From that corpus, from the corpus that we got from the internet. And internet, as you know, has all kinds of data. So how do you make it harmless? How do you make it child safe? And all this happens in post training. Finally, how do you get it to be truthful? How do you get it to hallucinate less? So all these are tasks that we get the LLM to learn in post training, and we will discuss post training in the next few shots.